Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take.
We're on a walk looking at some of the sculptures around. There's quite a few people driving through right now. I haven't been filming a whole lot. One, because other people have been in the picture so much. And then also because good old Jazzy, she thinks she's always got to be somewhere she's not. Right this moment she's actually still, but most of the time she is pulling on that leash like crazy. And I know people have told me to get the special kind of collar that gets them to stop doing that, and I may do it one of these days, but I just hate to do it to a little bitty dog like that. So I don't know how many of the sculptures you can see in front of me here. As I said, I'm right now at these rearing horses. Off in the distance over there is an eagle, and my RV is just kind of right over that way, just a very short ways. I walked over here, and so I'm camped within sight of the eagle, these horses. There's some across the street over there, and I can see several of them from my campsite. How cool is that? Plus, we've got all the mountains around. When we came here, we really didn't know how long we would plan on staying, but we've really been enjoying the beauty as well as the tourism around here, and we've had a friend's car to borrow, and so we've been able to go do some things without having to move our rigs, which has been especially nice. So I don't know, we may be in this area for a little while. It's something good to do during the winter season. As a matter of fact, today is Christmas Day, and we're just having a good old time, enjoying the sunshine, the warmth, and the beauty.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to path on the left side, put it up in your mind? It's gonna be hard. You run, try, roll your mind. 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 Seeing all the watering fill in your eyes, doing the things they know, talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they know. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to path on the left side, put it up in your mind? It's gonna be hard.
Today I've been on a walking tour, and we've actually seen a great number of sculptures walking today. We're kind of in the field of saber-tooths right now. Out that way is where the eagle is, and that's the first one we started with today, but we've seen quite a number of them. I was also noticing that, okay, first I'll show you. I'm camped right over that way, And out in the field that way are a number of dinosaurs. I see at least 3, and those are some that I had not noticed before, and I'm not sure how you get to them. I do know that some now are only accessible like by hiking or biking, but such a cool place. Is this a saber-tooth rocking horse or what? That's a scary toy story.
Yeah, really. I think I'm going to go with saber-tooth rocking horse. I like it. Or maybe it's leaping over a tree or something.
Or something. Friends in Borrego Springs, California, and I'm helping them to light luminaries. I'll show you what that's like, but it's life on a golf course. Isn't that moon beautiful? Here, there's a, nope, that's not a luminary. There's one. There's a luminary. And back there, can you see them? They're lining the whole way. That's what we're doing, is lighting those. Fun, fun! Can't see it with the lights. Those are the car lights.
There goes one from leftover from the parade.
It's a golf course, you can see the backside.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just shiny.
Yeah, it's a projection. You learn about these things in the desert.
Yep.
Lots of people use projection things.
Yeah, people in the desert that do decorations. This is the luminary thing that attracts all the people in town. Oh, yeah. And they leave the gate open. They leave the gate on so people can come right through. They probably have a